Imagine your class with the kind of tone skills that students love to learn, feel curious, and really enjoy being there. Imagine that all students benefit because most students learn the skills of tone to disagree while building goodwill with those around them. In this package, you'll find all that you need to start every class with brilliant tone. There's a table of contents for you to navigate back and forth to the materials that you will use or need or place into interactive notebooks. There are posters to inspire students to use specific tone skills to disagree. They'll get tips to use these skills in any class. They'll gather their tone skills in class to think, offer, nurture, and extend ideas through task cards that you can cut out and laminate. There are also response forms so that the students show evidence of their use of specific tone skills in your class. Give points for it, and they love to do this. There's a class list form and students' individual tracking forms. There are tips for assigning tone and participation points for using it. There are forms for tone feedback to the students. There are tone rubrics so they know exactly what is required. Good tone opens pathways, and the students will see the evidence of this in posters that inspire them and uses they see in their peers. As a bonus in this product, there are Namungo fictitious characters. They are fantasy critters with real brain parts, and you'll see that bad tone causes an anxiety which impacts students and how they learn. There are answer keys to all of the Namungo assignments here, and you'll also see the opposite of good tone is the brain on sarcasm and what that does to a learning community. So build your community with tasks students love to do and enjoy this process. There are additional materials to teach students how to disagree without bullying, for example, and further tone tools to disagree in ways in an essay or in a presentation that use the kind of tone skills they are using here in your class, but carried into their assignments even more so. There are other materials that allow students to learn how to do opposing views, how to debate opposing views, and how to use good tone in all of these activities. You'll find tips and a guide to adapt these materials from older learners to perhaps younger learners who would enjoy and benefit from good tone practices. Please do contact me. Leave a brief positive review if you find these materials helpful. But do contact me if there are any other ways the materials can address your needs. And I'll be honored to help you in any ways possible. To leave a comment or a question, hit on Ask a Question to the right of the rating on my TPT site, Brain-Based Tasks for Upper Grades. I hope these materials support you and your students the way you deserve. The best. Enjoy.